Before the offer to purchase is created, you must be at least pre-qualified or better yet, pre-approved by a lender unless you are paying cash. A pre-approval letter is one of the best negotiating tools a buyer can have. It shows the seller that you are financially able to purchase the home. After you've found the right home, it's time to prepare the offer. Now let's break down exactly how the offer making process works. Here are the steps. Step number 1. First, you'll view a house and decide that you want to make an offer. Step number 2. Our team will do an analysis of the property and help you decide on what a strong offer looks like. Number 3, we'll help prepare the offer and send it to the seller. Number 4, the seller will respond in one of 3 ways. First, they could just accept the offer. Everyone is happy, and as soon as everybody signs the offer, you're officially under contract and you're on your way to buying a house. The seller could make a counter offer. You can either accept his counter offer, go back with another offer of your own, or simply walk away. Lastly, the seller could just decline the offer. You could then try to make a more appealing offer if your budget allows, or move on to find another house. If you have questions or you're ready to start the home buying process, just fill out the form below and a member of my team will be in touch shortly.